Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My hand is an outside air conditioning bra type cover. All right, if you live near a tree like I do right here, the leaves go on top of here and get filled up down there. It's not really that bad, but it will get filled, okay, quite high. This is what this does. So I got this on Amazon. All right, and I will put the link to this breathable cover bra down in the description box below. So let's open this up and install it and see what it looks like. All right, so let's do it up. It's in a nice. All right, let's pull this out. Okay, like this. Side. All right, instructions. Okay, so in the back of here it says summer AC cover instructions. The AC cover is breathable. Okay, so this is it's a breathable. It protects it from twigs, leaves, any kind of debris that would go down inside of the AC unit, like I just showed you. This cover will protect it from that. And you can also bag flew away. And also you can use it for dog crates. This is another usage. Pet playpen cover. You can use it for that, which is really cool. There's a picture of it right here. It's a square. It's got four-piece bungee cords. Okay. All right. So let's open this thing up and. One of the hook goes right here like so, and then the other one gets hooked on the side of the fin. Okay, so let's go install it. All right, so here we are back at the AC. We'll put the cover exactly like this. Actually, that worked out just fine. Just like this. Okay, like that. Now what we do is you take one cover, or one hook, put it right here, and we can put it right. Let's see here. Put it right like this. All right, down a little bit more right there. Okay. Now I noticed as soon as I put the first hook on here, it actually pulled the cover this way. So I'm actually holding it like this, so it doesn't get pulled. Okay. Or what I could actually do is I can go on this side and put it through like so. Put it, hopefully y'all can see this. Put this right like that. Ah, there we go. Okay. Oh wow. Kind of, I like this. The other one like the same way. All right. That, and not but not least, this one right here. Okay, now this one right here doesn't have a hook, so what I can do is I could just put it, whoop, I can feel it underneath here. Okay, this right here has no hook or nothing. All right, it's like a little bit of a flat surface right here, and the piping and everything else and stuff is away from right here, so really shouldn't have to worry about. Okay, so hopefully I do. Okay, so let's put this right like that. Okay, there we go. All right, so yep, that's what it is. And you can also make it tighter too. All right, see, like that. These bungee cords seem to be very stretchable, which is really good. Right, like that. Good. There. This AC is protected from leaves because, as you can tell, the little here, so that this right here will protect it really good. There you go. All right, everybody. So the AC cover is on, as you can see right here, and I like it. It's very. It feels like it's. Like I said, it feels like it's very durable, really good. Like it's made of like some kind of a plastic tight felt something, whatever it is here. So I wanted something to protect my AC because it's a 2017 outside AC unit. I want to protect it. That's it for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you on the next video.